History is a blend of fact, interpretation, and imagination. The stories are inspired by historical accounts, myths, and cultural legacies. While we aim to bring history alive, we encourage you to explore, research, and question these narratives.
A legacy of courage. In the heart of India, during a time of great empires and relentless conquest, rose a queen who defied the odds and etched her name into history. Rani Durgavati, a name that resonates with courage, sacrifice, and unwavering resolve. This is her story, a tale of a warrior queen who stood against the mightiest empire of her time and whose legacy inspires millions to this day. The birth of a warrior queen. Born into the illustrious Chandela dynasty in 1524, Rani Durgavati inherited a lineage steeped in valor and honor. Her childhood was not one of privilege alone but of preparation. Trained in the arts of warfare, archery, and statecraft, she embodied the spirit of a warrior from an early age. Her homeland, steeped in Rajput traditions, shaped her indomitable will and commitment to her people. Here was a queen in the making, destined to lead and protect her land. The union of kingdoms, marriage to Dalpat Shah. Fate intertwined her destiny with that of the Gond kingdom when she married Dalpat Shah, a union that merged two powerful dynasties. Together, they symbolized unity and strength, a beacon of prosperity for their people. But this union was not just about politics or alliances. It was a partnership rooted in mutual respect, as Dalpat Shah recognized Rani Durgavati's intelligence and leadership skills. She was not a queen confined to the palace walls but a leader in every sense of the word. Tragedy and resolve, becoming the ruler of Gondwana. Tragedy struck when Dalpat Shah passed away, leaving the throne to their young son, Veer Narayan. In the face of this devastating loss, Rani Durgavati emerged stronger than ever. As regent, she took control of Gondwana, a kingdom that now looked to her for guidance. Balancing the roles of mother and monarch, she transformed adversity into opportunity. She fortified the kingdom, both in spirit and in defense, preparing it for the challenges that lay ahead. Architect of prosperity, Gondwana under her rule. Under Rani Durgavati's rule, Gondwana flourished. She reformed the administration, ensuring justice and fairness for all. The kingdom's economy prospered under her careful stewardship as she promoted trade and agriculture. Public welfare became her priority, with the construction of water reservoirs, temples, and forts that stand as a testament to her vision. Rani Durgavati was not just a warrior, she was a builder of a nation. The art of war, Rani Durgavati's military strength. Rani Durgavati was not only a ruler but a master tactician. Her skills in warfare were unparalleled, and her command of the bow and arrow became legendary. She built a loyal and fierce army, one that was trained to defend Gondwana against any threat. Her strategies were rooted in precision and discipline, making her forces a formidable adversary. She understood that true strength came not just from weapons but from the unity and spirit of her people. The Mughal challenge, Akbar's expansion. The peace and prosperity of Gondwana faced a looming threat. The Mughal Empire, under the ambitious Akbar, had begun its relentless expansion. Asaf Khan, one of Akbar's trusted generals, set his sights on Gondwana, viewing it as a jewel ripe for conquest. Rani Durgavati knew what lay ahead. But rather than cower before the might of the Mughals, she prepared to stand tall, ready to defend her people with every ounce of her strength. The battle begins, defiance on the battlefield. When the Mughal forces marched into Gondwana, they were met with fierce resistance. Rani Durgavati led her troops into battle, her presence on the battlefield inspiring her soldiers to fight with unmatched courage. Her strategic brilliance outmaneuvered the Mughals in the initial encounters, dealing significant blows to their advancing forces. For a brief moment, it seemed the indomitable queen could defy even the mightiest empire. The final stand, sacrifice for honor. But the Mughal army was vast and relentless. The decisive battle came at Narai, where Rani Durgavati fought with unparalleled valor. Wounded and outnumbered, she refused to retreat. Her refusal to surrender became a symbol of her unwavering resolve. In her final act of defiance, she chose death over dishonor, taking her own life to preserve her dignity and the pride of her kingdom. It was a sacrifice that resonated far beyond the battlefield, immortalizing her as a beacon of courage. Legacy of bravery, remembering Rani Durgavati. Rani Durgavati's sacrifice marked the end of an era but the beginning of a legacy. Her story became one of resistance, courage, and selflessness, celebrated through generations. Today, she is remembered not just as a queen but as a symbol of strength and resilience. Balidan Divas, observed on 24th June, stands as a testament to her bravery, ensuring that her name continues to inspire the hearts of millions.